You are very welcome to this presentation and soft phrasing. We are going to be looking at the two important tools when it comes to painting and decorating your architectural model, just like this. Two important tools that is going to help you to be able to do this effectively. So that is what we'll be looking at in this presentation. Don't forget to like the presentation. Don't also forget to subscribe and stay tuned throughout the end of this presentation so that you really get and understand how to use these two tools in Revit successfully. Let us get started. So here is my model. For instance, if I want to quickly add a paint on this surface right here, what I will do is I will navigate to this tool. Look at this tool here, this one. Okay, so if I should click in this arrow here, you will see a drop down menu. You can see paint right there. Then come there, you can see remove paint. So this particular button, you can use it to add paint. You can also use it to remove paint successfully, but we want to add paint, so we'll select the first option. So I'll click on that first option, and then you see the material browser coming up just like this. All right, how do you get this material browser? If I should click on this closed options right there, I can quickly be able to navigate to the material browser through the manage tab. So if I click on this manage tab, here is the material browser, and I select it right there. I will have so here is the material browser. With this material browser open just like this, you can be able to set any of the materials that you want to set. Okay, so after having set it successfully, you can click on the OK options and then get back to the modify tab, and then you activate the paint to be able to get you right inside the material browser. Okay, so in this material browser, you can select less. For instance, I want to use this white paint. To change this just like this, you see the white paint. I haven't changed that successfully. I can just select it like this to change that to white, just like this. Okay, so this is how these tools actually work. The second tool we are going to be looking at is called split face. Okay, split face. Okay, it is also used to decorate the face of your wall, architectural wall. Okay, in terms of painting. So we'll look at how we can make use of that split face tools, this one. Okay, so first we need to navigate to the to the view in which we want to apply that split face successfully. So I will navigate to the left view, this one. So I will click on this 3D cube by the left side. So this will take me to this direction, just like this. Okay, so yeah, I want to be splitting this face, so I can apply it two different paint on this face. Okay, that is the work of this tool. If you can be able to split this face, you can be able to apply two different paints on this face successfully. Okay, so I'll click on the split face tools, and then I'll make sure that I'm able to select the face of this wall. Okay, by over my cursor on the side of the wall, and then I click once to get the face of this wall selected. So now I will use a line to demarcate the area, or to separate the face of this wall into two. Okay, so for instance, if I want to, I can just start from here, and let me just click extra just like that, and I'll escape that. Then I'll have another line here. Let me just place that here like this, escape that, and then have another line here as well. Let me click here and escape it. Now with this, I want to be connecting these lines, okay, linking them together. So I will use the trim and extend to actually trim this, and also I will be able to trim this. Then I'll extend this line to touch the edge of this. Okay, so I will be using this extend and trim tool as well. I'll pick that point, then select this line to touch that. Okay, come over here, pick this point, select this line to touch that. line, just like this. So having done this, I have split this first surface into two. Now we are going to be applying the paint on this, so you see the way it's going to look. But by then I will have to modify and click on the finished edit mode option to finish and get rid of what I am doing. So after which I will look at the 3D of that. Okay, first, so I will place a cursor there, and then I will see the 3D just like this. Okay, all right. So with this now, I can apply my paint. Okay, so I will just head over to the paint right there. And if I want to be having different paint in here, let me go to where I have some materials. This place, let's for instance, I want to have two materials there, so I can select this stone 4, and then I'll be able to place stone 4 right there, just like this. Okay, then after which I can also be able to place another stone. Let's say stone 1. I can place it over here, just like this. Okay, so you see how I actually decorated that surface. All right, so those are the basic two tools I want us to understand, and you can also proceed to be able to run a copying on this line, yeah, that demarcates these two stone materials. Okay, so that is what we have learned in this lesson. Okay, so you want to get and understand the nitty-gritty of Revit architecture in building model, you can as well join our ongoing mentorship program, and then we will train you on how to be able to model and have a good and real aesthetics as we finished from Revit, and then take it to Lumion to actually show you how to make things real in your designs successfully. We bring the lesson to a stop here, and then we see in the next presentation. Stay connected, stay safe, don't forget to like, don't also forget to subscribe. If there's any question, drop it in the comment sections. Thank you and bye for now.